Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about JavaScript algorithm section 1 on freecodecamp. So actually, I've already talked about 3 projects of this section in the last video right here. You can go see it if you want. And in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the next 5 projects that I built in this section. So these five projects took me a bit of time, so because it is harder than the previously thing like HTML and CSS, like JavaScript. After adding JavaScript is getting harder and harder. So I will go through these projects one by one later in the video, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so start with the first project. This project is about random background color changer. So as you can see on the screen, there's a button and there's some text on it. It says change background color. So if you click it, it will change the background color to a random color. Alright, so this project is about debug, which is in this project it will make you some bugs that you want to solve them, and after you solve them, you will make this nice looking random background changer, which is kind of cool. If you like, you don't know what color you want to add to your background, you can just use this application and just click it. Alright, so moving on to the next project, we got calorie counter. So basically what this does is that it teaches you how to build this notes. You can note something, calories, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, exercise on this calorie counters. And basically what this do is, first you need to enter your budget. So if my budget is 1,000, and you can add entry here. Alright, so right here I select breakfast and I add entry, so just put a name like breakfast or I eat egg. Alright, so when you finish add your calories, you can just click this calculate and this will appear. There will be some information about your calories, like you have 1,000 calorie budget and you consume 100, so that's, of course, budget will minus 100 to 900, but you burn 50 calories, so your budget calories will actually add up 50, so it's a total of 950 calorie deficit. Actually, I don't know what this word means. Alright, so what basically this project teaches about how to build some functions, like how to build calculate function, how to build clear function, how to build this selection function and actually pass some value into that input, and how to build this. Alright, so that's basically create multiple functions about this. This is also a little project, and it is a rock paper scissors project, which you can build a rock paper scissors. And basically what this is about is some logic if else statements. So if this, it will choose, if you choose rock and the computer choose scissors, and you will win, several if else questions. So just choose an option. I choose paper, and the computer choose random choice, so in this case I win. So let's just keep choosing the options. Yeah, it's a tie and computer wins. So computer wins 3 times, and when someone wins 3 times, the game will be over. So computer has won the game, and I've got 0 points. I don't know why it's 3 to 0. Alright, okay, so moving on to the next one here. This is a music player, and so what this does is, of course, it plays music, and this is a long one. There's 99 steps, and it took me a long time just a long time, Alright, so this is basically a fully functional music player right here, and just like KKBox or Spotify, you can play music here, and it will name will appear up here, and the author, and if you pause, it will pause. So this is a right function about each button, like play next song and pause and play and previous song. And it's basically teach you how to like array, how do you put things in the right position, like in this case is song. And there's also this button where you can click it, and it will change to different random order of the song, so you can listen to have a different experience. Alright, so yeah, and if you play next, it will just basically like the normal sound music app, music player, previous song, next song, yeah. And also there's just pause that. Also there's little sign, cross sign, red right here. So if you click it, the song would disappear. And after you click all the song, you can reset. There's a reset button will appear. So reset, songs will come back. Alright, and there's also a function that after a song finished or ended, it would just play the next one automatically. Alright, so this is like a fully functional music player here, which I think this is very cool. So moving on to the last project, which is certification project. We're gonna build a palindrome checker. I don't know if I pronounced correctly. So basically, what this checker is that I don't know if you pronounce it like in the common order, and it will sound as the same as the reverse order. So I will show you an example I got from internet. So we have what's that called? Oh, I forgot about that. Wait, just wait a second. Let me Google it. Alright, so there's an example I will show you, which is Taco Cat. So this is an example about this palindrome type of text. So if you look at here, it is Taco Cat, right? So if you the reverse version, it will also be Taco Cat. So this right here is an example about this palindrome. So what this project is about is that you input a text or a vocabulary or just several alphabets in, and it will check if it is the palindrome type of text. So this one right here, it is a palindrome type of text. So if I click check, it will say it is. Alright, so which is great. And if I enter some wrong, which is not a palindrome, it will just display this is not a palindrome. So basically, this certification project is about how do you actually know how to build functions to tell different situations, like, and also you need to know how to, like, if I type in WA and comma W and check. So actually this is a palindrome, and we want to ignore some symbols like commas or like this question mark or this period. We need to get rid of that. So this is also a palindrome. So we need to ignore those type of like symbols and to check if it is a palindrome. Alright, and also some like this capital or not capital. You need to ignore that. Alright. So yeah, this is also a palindrome. Although there's a upper class, there's a lower class, it's still a palindrome. So this is basically what this project is about. You need to first process the information provided by the user and make it so there has no punctuations, no symbols, and no upper class, lower class, all in the same class. And later, when you do that, you have a function of that. And later, after you do that, you need to, tell if it is actually a palindrome by using several functions. Like you need to separate those characters and reverse them. And if the original order is the same as the reverse order, and it is a palindrome. So this is basically what this project is about. And I've also spent a lot of time on building this feature, this black feature. I don't know, I just like it to look cool and like to use black, which won't hurt my eyes. So let's see what the example project has. Alright, so right here, you can go take a look. Alright, so right here, this is the official palindrome right here. So it actually functions the same as mine, but just a different look. So if I type in wow, which is it's a palindrome. Oh, there's also one feature I forgot to talk about, is that if you enter empty, like you enter nothing and check, there's actually an alert on here which says please input a value. So this is also a function we need to build when we are working on this project, and in order to get the certification. Alright, so that's for today's total 5 projects, which is a little bit long, but yeah, and in this section I feel that coding JavaScript is harder than HTML and CSS. So the entire journey is getting more tough, it's getting more challenging. I will do my best to learn these things. So that's a total of 5 projects for today's video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one.